Come test drive the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, universal garage door opener, premium sound system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.